This video is intended for advanced users of the SBLCore software who create their own products based on formulations and input raw materials. Typically, this applies to situations where there is no existing supporting document for the final product, and it needs to be created manually. Each product consists of several raw materials that are mixed together. For each raw material, you should have a safety data sheet, from which you can obtain information about the substances it contains, their classification, and other important parameters. Along with this, it is necessary to define a formulation that determines the proportions of individual components. When creating a safety data sheet, the software allows you to use not only individual chemical substances from the database, but also existing products from the list of safety data sheets. This enables you to reuse previously created safety data sheets, or prepare simplified versions intended exclusively for mixing purposes. If you insert a pre-made safety data sheet into the final product, the software will automatically recalculate the contained substances according to the defined formulation. You could see how to create a complete safety data sheet in the video, Creating a New Safety Data Sheet. In this video, we will focus on creating simplified safety data sheets that replace individual substances during mixing. You can think of a simplified safety data sheet as an item similar to a substance. This type of document is mainly created to avoid manual recalculation of concentrations of individual substances. The software will do the calculation for you. In the demonstration, we will go through the preparation of a mixture that contains 3 raw materials and serves as a window cleaning agent. First, we will prepare all input raw materials. 2 of them are already stored in the database, and we will now create the third as a new simplified safety data sheet. Go to the Safety Data Sheets tab and click on the New button. In the first step, select the destination country and the language in which the document will be created. Then choose whether it is a substance or a mixture. You can find this information in the supporting safety data sheet for the specific raw material. In the identification section, fill in the trade name of the raw material. To make navigation in the database easier, you can select the raw material category. This ensures that the document is easily recognized as a simplified safety data sheet intended for internal use only. This designation is not displayed in the final document. Each raw material must contain at least one substance. To use a substance, it must first be prepared in the database. You can find the procedure for creating a substance in the video, Creation a New Substance. If the substance is already in the database, simply add it to the composition of the raw material and enter the concentration according to the supporting safety data sheet. No additional information is required for mixing purposes. Once all necessary fields are completed, save the document. After preparing all raw materials, proceed to create the final product. Again, click on New, open the editor, and enter the trade name of the mixture. Go to the supporting data section and click on the Add button. In the open window, select whether you want to add a substance from the substance database or a mixture from the safety data sheets database. Now use the previously created raw materials. Add the first raw material at a concentration of 20%. Then add the second one at a concentration of 0.9%. Finally, add the third raw material at a concentration of 0.01%. After inserting each component, its name will appear in the composition, and by clicking on it, you will also see a list of contained substances. You can adjust the display style. The tree view shows raw material names, while the summary view shows only the contained substances. If the rest of the mixture is made up of another component, for example water, add it as a separate substance from the database. In the supporting data section, also fill in the physical properties that are known and may affect classification, for example pH, physical state, or flash point. If the mixture contains detergent components, enter them in the appropriate field. This information will then also appear on the label. Once the supporting documentation is complete, you can proceed to classification. Use automatic classification, or enter the information manually as needed. After the calculation, add texts, additional physicochemical data, or supplementary information. You can then preview and export the final document. This is the complete process of preparing a mixture using simplified safety data sheets in the SBLCore software.